What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, my Jason Ricci Harmonica YouTube lesson super channel for possums and ferrets and raccoons and cats and dogs and hedgehogs and people too, right? And so today we're going to be taking a look at some of the notes from the major pentatonic and how to use them on each chord respectively and differently meaning I'm going to switch it up and do the same thing I did on the first chord. I'm going to do the same thing on the 4 chord, except I'm going to use the notes that belong to that chord as if I was in that key. I got a C harmonica to make things easy, right in the middle, no black keys, all C. Here we go. So anyway, we're going to start doing some cool stuff, just looking at how to play some kind of Zydeco country kind of flavor or just a real major kind of sound. So starting from the 1 chord, 1 draw, 2 blow, 2 draw. You can use 3 blow if you want. Now so for the 4 chord to do the same thing, I'm going to go 2 draw, 3 double bend, 4 blow. You can kind of flub the note a little bit, just to disguise some intonation issues. Now to go to the 5 chord, 3 double bend again, 3 draw, and then 4 draw. Back to 4. Cool. So just down there on the bottom, using the major pentatonic scale, but taking that knowledge, that technology that I just showed you, taking that and then applying that to each chord, I could do some fun stuff. First, I'm going to play exactly what we just learned at tempo, at a reasonable tempo, and then I'm going to dress it up using some notes from the major pentatonic scale. Check out my videos on the major pentatonic scale, linked below. So first, just the straight version. Second, a little bit of improv using these same note groupings. Here we go. Dress it up a little. Just like that. Cool, right? So I'm already having too much fun with that. Now you take it to the 2nd octave, add some tongue block octaves, you really start to introduce that Cajun sound. Getting that squeeze box accordion. Alright, how did I do that? So I'm tongue blocking splits. Check out my video on tongue block splits listed below. But I'll give them to you right now. It's a 1 and 4 split, so my tongue's on 2 and 3. Up to the 2-5 blow split. Up to the 3-6 blow split. Repeat. Now for the 4 chord, I'm going to start on 6 blow, which is the 5 of 4, then go up to 6 draw, and then 7 blow to the root of 4. Now, when I'm tongue blocking this, it's going to be a 3-6 blow split, but then when I go to the 6th draw, I'm going to single note tongue block the 6th draw since I can't get that octave down bottom without bending. There it is. Now, if you bleed in a little bit, no big deal. There's the bleed. Now, I could try to bend out of the corner of my mouth. I'm not going to do it. Now, for the 5 chord, I'm going to use that same single hole split, and then I'm going to slide up to a 4-8 triple hole tongue block split, and then up to a 3-7 triple hole tongue block split, and then a 4-8 triple hole tongue block split. It's kind of hard. There it is. All right, y'all, here we go. So I'm going to hit this backing track. It's called New Orleans Boogie Woogie Track, G blues. So regular blues changes with a little New Orleans boogie woogie feel, kind of a rock and roll feel. I'm going to take them same 3 notes that I would use for something like this, or a regular rock and roll, or a Cajun, or even a country tune, or whatever. These same 3 simple notes, I'm going to play them through one chorus, or one ride as we call it here in New Orleans. One chorus just on the bottom octave. Then I'm going to play one ride on the 2nd octave, using the tongue blocks, okay, using those tongue block splits. Then I'm going to just start improvising if I'm doing good, and I might go for a while using the major pentatonic scale, and then I'll just expand outward and start adding in some passing notes, some blue notes, or whatever the heck I might be feeling, depending upon how good I'm playing. Just what we learned for the first 2 choruses. Here we are. Meow, meow. Next octave. for the meow meows. Thank you everybody for tuning in to Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 16 years of incredible YouTube harmonica related content. That's right, 16 years. At this point, over 500 free instructional videos. If you're interested in what kind of harmonicas I play, microphones, amplifiers, pedals, any harmonica related products, please check out my sponsors. These sponsors in one way or another also help keep these videos going. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Blue Moon Harmonicas, bringing you the best in custom harmonicas. We got custom cover plates, custom combs, you can get your name put on it just like me. Reed work, refurbished pre-war Marine bands. Look at that, they put the little brace there, no more crushing the covers. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, the very best in pedals, microphones, almost anything you need for your amplified harmonica need. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, right here out of Ponchatoula, Louisiana. We got you. Harp gear, amplifiers. They got big ones, they got small ones. You know what they sound like? They sound like the best tube amps on the market. Harp gear amplifiers out of Ocala, Florida. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Incredible custom pedal boards built to last, made by two brothers who really care. Hohner Harmonicas. A Mooncat loves the Hohner Harmonica. I like the Marine band. I get Tom to put the little special 20 cover plates on it. He tricks them out, but they play great right out of the box. All of these sponsors are linked below in the description box. What else is linked below? Patreon. Consider becoming a Patreon patron. You'll be supporting me. You'll be supporting the cause. You'll be keeping these videos free for everybody. And you'll get a lot of extra content over at Patreon. You'll get vlogs, occasionally some extra lessons, some posts that you might not see on Facebook. A lot of stuff that I can't say or won't say here on YouTube is over on Patreon. I love my Patreon family. You guys are the best. If you're not into the monthly subscription, you can also give me a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal below too. I'm a touring musician and I play all over the country, really all over the world with all kinds of different acts. Check out my website, www.mooncat.org. In all seriousness, YouTube, Patreon, my sponsors have absolutely changed my life. Subscribe below, set reminders for the videos. Don't miss any events. Every single Friday there's a free harmonica lesson and a lot more. Even if you're just subscribing, you're helping me a lot. Those of you that are joining me on Patreon, you guys are helping me to make better decisions with my career. In all sincerity, thank you so much, YouTube, for just an incredible outlet. It's a video diary. I get to look back at 16 years of these videos. I had a lot of new friends, some really fine musicians, made some great contacts in the industry, and it's all because of you. Thank you, my harmonica family.